broom, sweep Jonathan, Igbo man, off from Aso Rock. That time, they don't see that Tinubu is bad person. They don't remember call Igbos that time, but they come against Igbos. Now,
The northern elders now has come out to beg the Igbos allies that together they can oil Tinubu 2027 because they feel betrayed, that Tinubu has betrayed them. You know, after working and voting for Tinubu for they just concluded 2023 election. Do you think that the Igbos want to work with the northern elders come 2027?
oh well, I will start with my eye, Mr. President, you will talk on them. We start to comment analyzing this issue raised now by asking northerners that is it now that they know that Tinubu is not good? Is it now that they know that Tinubu is not capable to rule Nigeria? When their own brother Buhari failed in 2011 election to Jonathan, when he said he will not contest an election again, that it's time for to rule Nigeria have gone, he started crying. And Tinubu came out and go and bring Buhari out. And they went into alliance, ANPP and ACN of Nigeria come together and form alliance and become APC. Another Northern People Congress. Tinubu stand as Akintola. Buhari stand as Tafawa Balewa. They march together and take broom, sweep Jonathan, Igbo man, off from Aso Rock. That time, they don't see that Tinubu is bad person. They don't remember call Igbos that time, but they come against Igbos. Now, Tinubu have entered. So they want to pay Tinubu back with evil for good they have done to them. They want to pay him back to evil by saying they want to remove Tinubu. If they remove Tinubu, who will take over? Is it not the same from the government of Nigeria, Shettima? If they remove Tinubu, now they are calling Igbo people, Easterners, Biafrans, whom they reject in 2015 election, whom they reject in 2023 election, and put Buhari, put Tinubu there. Is it an Igbo man, INEC chairman, who rig the election for APC and Tinubu in 2023? Is it Igbo man, Muhammad Yakubu? Is it Igbo man? Peter B, Igbo man. Although Okoko did not support Igbo man to be there because we are Biafrans. But directly or indirectly, I support Tinubu because he's a Nigerian. I said no to Peter B and any Igbo man because they are Biafrans. You cannot be Biafran and rule Nigeria. That's where I stand. Now, still, Peter B move ahead and contest, deny his identity as Biafra man and contest for Nigeria. And he won as a Nigerian. And the INEC, led by Yakubu, robbed him that result and give him to Tinubu, a Nigerian man. Do Northerners cry against it? That is bad. Now, when they feel Tinubu government did not favor them, when they feel that Tinubu government is delaying their conquest over Nigerians, when they feel that Tinubu appointment is subordinated to his own country people, tribal men, now they say Igbo should come, join hand with them against Tinubu. God forbid. Anyway, unless any Igbo may join hand, because their own is anywhere money come, they follow. They don't care whether it will kill them at last or save them at last. They don't care. But I don't see any average reasonable Igbo man. Call it south, call it southeast. We join hand with North now against Tinubu. No. I don't see any reasonable Igbo man. No, I don't see it. I don't see it. So, North and West have been moving together. Even through the Civil War, they fought together against Biafra. They shared the lootings of the Civil War for themselves. Railway from West here. to Abuja, to Kaduna, to Katsina, to Sokoto, to Niger. Which one they build? From Lagos to Akwa Ibom, from Rivers to Benue. Which one they build? From Rivers to Meduguri. Which one they build? But they can link it up now. From Katsina to Meduguri, they can link it up. But they cannot link it up from Rivers to Meduguri. Even all the railway that were built by colonial masters, is it existing from Port Harcourt to Enugu to Benue? Is it existing? It's not existing anymore. They are shining the notice. Lagos have developed fine, become one of the commercial hub, one of the highest commercial hub in the world. Abuja have built, which Lagos built in Biafra land, which Abuja built in Biafra land, which is seaport function in Biafra land, which international airport function in Biafra land, and you are calling the Biafrans to join hands with you to fight your brother Tinubu to Fiakwa. And I want to go settle again. Not. When I want to take us to settle again, this is how it happened between Akintola faction, Awolowo faction, Action Group faction of Awolowo, NPC, Other People Congress. This is why they are killing themselves in West here. Biafrans, Igbo man came to bring peace, to settle the fight, to stop. The first proper police function in Nigeria was because of Western riots. They called them anti-riot police. That was the first time mobile police exist in Nigeria. But at the end, the North and the West take Biafran to settle. The revolution, they turned it Igbo man coup. Awolowo in detention. Ojukwu released him. He went back to North, joined with Gowon, and massacred us for good 3 years plus. Now they are calling us again to take us to settle their score. I don't see any problem between Tinubu and Shettima that make them to fight themselves. Even when Obasanjo, 1999 to 2007, Obasanjo and Atiku fought themselves. North and the West did not kill themselves. North and West did not kill themselves. They settled themselves. You know, that become president. Unfortunately, the day they came, Jonathan enter, become unexpected president of Nigeria. The same West and North fight against Jonathan. Boko Haram expanded. APC rise up with the broom. Jonathan move out. Now they still want to bring us together to take us settle their score. Okay, now look at it. 1993 election, June 12. When North were bubbling to fight, West were bubbling to fight. Igbo man said no, we cannot fight. Igbo man separate themselves. Not West and North come up together and they produce Obasanjo. And Deny Ekweme, who is ripe to be the president of Nigeria at that time. The North and West came up, settled themselves, and produced Obasanjo as president of Nigeria. Why? Because Igbos have pulled out, Biafra have pulled out, go back to their place, watching them. Now they discover that they cannot use Biafrans to settle their scores. Biafra have learned a lesson. Now they have to settle by themselves. Is it not what produced Obasanjo? Every Tinubu enter in. Don't you see that North and the West team up to call for protests against Tinubu? And Biafrans, Igbos, Biafrans and other Biafrans said no, we will not join the protest. This is that protest move ahead. So in all they're doing, they want to bring Igbo man again, Biafrans again to the middle. They will kill us from North, and kill us from West, and at the end, they will settle themselves. So let them not to call us. Let them paddle their canoe wherever they like to paddle to. They should not paddle to come to our side. Let them settle themselves. We are Biafran, we are not Nigeria. Let them solve their Nigerian problem with Nigeria. You understand? Tinubu, Tinubu ka ị ga-eso. Ma ọ na-achị achị ma ọ na-adị mma Tinubu ka ha ga-eso. Tinubu, president of Nigeria. Whether he's ruling good or ruling bad, he's a president of Nigeria. That's all. Who is the president of Nigeria? Let them hold it. They should not do anything to remove him. They have elect him through INEC. They have elect him through judiciary. It's their president. It's their president. They should not involve Igbo man. They should not involve Biafra. Let them hold their peace. That's my final word to them.
Okay.
Let them mind their own business. Okay. Thank you.
And lastly, the northern elders has come out to plead with the Igbos, the Southeast elites, for the removal of Tinubu and Shettima in 2027. Do you actually see this manifesting?
I don't see it manifesting. When Buhari was there, Buhari was parleying with Hausa, northern elders. They were pressing Igbo man. In fact, northern elders were they not the reason why Nnamdi Kanu was kept incarcerated till date. Now they are planning to come to join forces with Igbo to edge Tinubu out. Igbo man is not that jealous or hostile to Yoruba. Yoruba is often hostile and jealous of us, and we keep on looking at them because we are think tanks. We reason better than they. They are just jealous people. And let me tell you, if Hausa is coming thinking they are going to join forces with us, Igbo man is on his own. We are not edging anybody. We are separating, disembarking from Nigeria. Northern elders should be on their own. They are trying to fight Tinubu because what they are benefiting during Buhari, they are not seeing it again. In fact, they are thieves. What they are stealing before, they are not stealing it again from the government coffers. Now they are aggrieved. They want to fight Tinubu. They want Igbos to join forces with them. Ogaman, Igbo man is not going anywhere. If election happens, we are voting the right person. Tinubu is neither the wrong person nor the right person. We are not seeing Tinubu as a man that will have any good impact on Igbo land. He's a man that has turned his back on the Igbos over the years, destroying Igbo man's property. Very, very jealous of the Igbos. Very, very jealous of the Igbos. So what I'm trying to say is, anywhere the northern elites should go, they should go there because Igbo man is not ready to settle score or to have join issues with Yoruba or with any other tribe. We are on our own. We are people from the eastern Nigeria, the land of the rising sun. And IPOB is our profile identity. We are not joining forces with people whose ideology is crushed already because they are very, very fanatic, religious bigots. We are not joining forces with people that we don't know the kind of persons they are. People that are aggressive in their mind. People that will come to your land, all they will do, occupy your land. The next year, they will round you up while you are asleep and behead all of you and take over your land. We are not joining forces with vandals. People who are nomads in nature. People who are busy destroying and conquering, exploiting communities across Africa. All just with the reason to occupy their lands. Look at what is happening in Benue State. Benue State are subjected to this kind of incessant pogrom, killing farmers, killing communities, extermination of villages. It occurred in that region of Nigeria, and these are the elders from the north. Because everything Fulani is north. Everything Fulani is Sahel. Sahel Africa, they are Fulani Africans, and they are the one responsible for these killings in Nigeria. I don't think we will join forces with northern elders, the Fulanis, to do anything against Tinubu. No, they know themselves, not them. Tinubu went to north, he donated millions to people, traders in Sokoto, traders in Kano. He went to southern of Sokoto, he donated money there. Tinubu is falling with the north. I don't know how come northern elders turning against Tinubu again. I'm an Igbo man. If northern elders is trying to align forces with Igbo man, they have failed. We are not going to be part of that alignment.